Welcome to Breakthrough Collection. I'm very excited today. Today I am going to be doing the embroidery and stone that everybody is doing. Guys, oh my god, I find out the shortcut software can do the templates, which I do have the expensive software which I don't know how to navigate yet, but this software is $50 and I use it to do my template for the stone. So now I am going to show you guys the first version of my video, what I did, the process. I'm doing the word called Bless Mom, the fish stitch and the applique with the mom. So I'm using, you can see the glitter black HB vinyl black. And that's my template, guys. I love it. You need to see it. You need to see this. That's me putting stone on my flock, on my template that I cut out, and I'm taking out the excess you know, the vinyl on the t-shirts, the glitter vinyl. I'm taking the excess out, then I will take it back to the machine. That's me trying to finish up because there are some stone that didn't go in. That's the finish up of the template. That is me putting my transfer tape to take the stone out of the template. Oh my god, I love it. The machine is finishing. The embroidery machine is done. Now we got to knit it, take out all the water soluble. I love to take my water soluble out before I even press it on the machine. So I'm taking it out, then I will take it to my heat press machine. That's me using, you know, the fire to take out the, you know, some of the thread. I just like to knit it up before I put it in the machine. So I'm going to take it to my heat press. That's me pressing it. Then I will be adding the stone. That's the juicy part of it. It's so beautiful. This is good for Mother's Day, for your grandmother, for any mom in your life, for your co-worker. This is a beautiful t-shirt. And I take a picture shoot. Look at it. I love it. Thank you for watching.